Greetings, Commodores. Welcome to Emergency Learning Midterm Exams. Your exam is through Google Forms and Google Docs. Exams will be released in Google Classroom at the scheduled time and not before the scheduled time. Zoom will open to answer questions related to the exam through the chat feature. The exam is in two parts: Google Forms multiple choice and Google Docs extended response. Please complete both sections. Students will need to use the Zoom feature of their internet browser to read some of the selection in Google Forms. Students may ask for assistance with this or watch this instructional video. So here we go. We are going to get rid of this screen because we've covered those directions. We're going to get rid of my drive. You don't need to see that. And we are going to come on over here to scheduled work for period 2. I'm just using period 2 because it's the first class of the day that I teach. First period is my planning period. So over here, you can see that the midterm exam is scheduled to release 1 minute after the release time. So you have the midterm exam that's ready to be released for all of the different classes. Then you will come on over to the midterm exam, and it's going to take a little bit of time to upload because all of these text features are actual JPEGs. So it takes a little bit of time to open up in Google Forms. Please just be patient. As you scroll on through the test, you'll see that it becomes a little hard to read some of the text if you are visually challenged like I am. So you're going to come over to your browser and you're going to use the zoom feature of your browser. Now, because they're JPEGs, they're automatically going to adjust so it won't look blurry. So that's a nice little feature that is available in this exam. Okay, and then we come over here. Wow, that's way too small to read. So let's pump that up. And it is still readable as you go through it. So that is how you're going to use the Zoom feature. The next thing that we want to look at as a friendly reminder of this is we want to look at the extended response, what we're going to do. So the extended response is uploaded as a PDF, and you're going to use Open with Google Docs. Give it some time to load. You're going to go over here to make a copy like we've been doing all week. Make a copy like we've been doing all week, and we're going to type in okay, I have to click on it, sorry. We're going to type in MEER, okay, a colon, and then first and last. And the instructions are there, okay? So it also tells you inside the document itself. So MEER, first and last. And then you're going to click OK. Notice that it's saving in your drive, not Mrs. Broom's drive when you do this. Okay, so we don't have 15 people, 27 people trying to type at the same time. Okay, so you're going to click OK. I'm not going to click OK because I already have a copy of it. And then you're going to click Share. When you click Share, you save it with me, and then I know to look in my Google Drive for your responses. So please save it in that fashion of MEER, first and last name. Okay? Those are your instructions for your midterm exam. Good luck, do the best you can, and remember, I'll be hanging out in Zoom to answer any questions. Have a great day.